Hello design enthusiasts! Welcome back again to Learn with ARC channel. This is the new series called Revit series for beginners. Today we are going to use Revit 2024 to make a small building from scratch. In this series, we will learn basic architectural tools and techniques to make a 2D plan and a 3D model. So we're going to start our project. We're going to start building plan first, and then I'll show you how you can make elevations and a 3D model. Well, everyone has their own workflow. Mine is that I always set the floor heights or levels in the elevation before starting plan. The good thing about the Revit is that we can change or adjust the floor's heights or level whenever we want. So let's open the north elevation and rename and adjust the levels as required. After setting the levels, let's go to the ground level and set up the grid. After creating the grids, now let's make the walls. You can click the wall in the architecture panel or simply press WA in keyboard. Here, we can see different kinds of walls available. I've got generic walls, so I'm going to select this generic 8-inch wall and then click on Duplicate and Edit Type to customize the walls. I need to make 1 feet wall, so I rename it as Wall 1. Now, just put the wall as desired. There are many methods to make the wall. You can also see the wall in 3D view from the ground level to first floor level, as the level has been already fixed. In the next video, we will learn to add the interior walls and the doors. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.